Since its debut in 2015, the H. Moser and Sears Pioneer collection has defined the brand's vision of an everyday luxury watch, robust, versatile, and water-resistant to 120 meters. At the same time, Moser has never shied away from pushing boundaries in watchmaking design, with the flying hours complication first introduced in 2018. Now, for 2025, these two worlds unite in the remarkable Pioneer Flying Hours, a watch that combines durability with poetic mechanics. Unlike the original Flying Hours, where time gradually revealed itself, the Pioneer Flying Hours introduces an instantaneous jumping hour display. 3 satellite discs orbit around a central skeletonized minutes disc, and at the top of each hour, one numeral snaps crisply into place. It's technical, it's hypnotic, and it's uniquely Moser. 2 versions mark the debut. A 42.8mm 5N red gold case with black DLC-coated titanium inserts and a breathtaking aventurine dial that evokes a star-filled night sky, limited to just 100 pieces. Or, for a more minimalist look, a stainless steel edition with a white fume dial and sunburst finish joining the permanent collection. Both share the Pioneer's curved sapphire crystal, screw-down crown, and rugged water resistance. Inside beats the in-house automatic HMC 240 caliber, refined with anthracite finishing, a Straumann hairspring, and a bi-directional winding system. It offers a 72-hour power reserve, with either a solid gold or tungsten rotor, depending on the model. Paired with textured rubber straps, the Pioneer Flying Hours embodies a perfect balance of elegance and adventure. The steel edition is priced at 29,000 Swiss francs, while the red gold with aventurine dial commands 39,000 Swiss francs. This is not just a watch, it's Moser's vision of time in motion, designed for those who want something extraordinary on the wrist. If you enjoyed this first look at the Pioneer Flying Hours, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more of the latest in haute horlogerie.